Hi everyone, it's Veronica and I am here to share with you the unboxing of the May and June kits for Pink and Maine. So without further ado, let's just jump right in. This is the May kit. That is an adorable image. All right, so let me share with you what's in this kit. This is the surface ink pads, street light, and stop sign. This is solid yellow and white twine. This is the flare button. My weekend is booked. How cute is that? Here's some washi. Holographic rhinestones. These adorable bows. This is the sequin mix. So you can kind of see where this is going. It's kind of like a school theme. That is so pretty. Here is a die. So this is the word friend and it has its shadow. This is the 6x6 stamp set. Adorable images. That was the one you saw on the front of the card. I love this one. Too cute. This will make some really cute 3x3 note cards. Here's the bookshelf with the customary plants. And the sentiments, you're number one in my book. Life is a page turner with you in it. Every chapter is a new adventure. Thanks for being a fantastic friend. Really nice. But again, this is my favorite image on the whole stamp set. And here is the cardstock 6x6 paper pad with 24 sheets. They are double-sided. Very pretty colors. How pretty is that? Just a quick flip through. Love, love, love it. And these colors are the colors of the cardstock as well, the solid cardstock. You get 4 envelopes. And here is a vellum sheet. And the colored cardstock. This is Street Light, Construction, On the Green, Middle School, and this one is Winery. And this is the Ice Rink 110-pound cardstock. You get 2 sheets of this one. Very nice quality cardstock. And our bag. Okay. Did I do the Yes, I did. The sequins. Okay, so that was the May kit. And now we have the June kit. Come sail away with me. This is a summery theme, and this one is called The Shore. Okay. So we have the rose gold rhinestones. That's what they're called, rose gold. We have the brown twines, the solid brown, and then the brown and white. These are glitter buttons. Look how pretty those are. Shimmery. Some wood veneers with that ocean theme. Love it. And this is the 6x6 stamp set. Celebrate each day. Let me shake this down. Okay, there we go. I sure do think you're amazing. Cute. That's cute. I love you like the sea loves the shore. Those are really nice stamps. Okay. And an embossing folder this time, and this is a Darice embossing folder. This one is called Sun Rays. That is very nice, and I don't have that one, so this is perfect. Okay. And here is the 6x6 paper pad. Again, 24 double-sided sheets. And the colors are gorgeous. Look at this one. Love it. Oh, those are so pretty. Beautiful. Very nice. And don't forget, you can still join the subscription club for envelopes. And when you join, you get a welcome gift as well. And here is the sequin mix. I had to put mine in a different bag because somehow mine had popped open. But these are so pretty. You know, these are my favorite colors, these earth tones. And I love those seashells. They are so pretty. And here's the flare button, Celebrate You. There is embossing powder. And this one is called Metaline First Frost. I think, yes. And, of course, our customary bag. The Ice Rink 110-pound cardstock. You get 2 sheets of those. And the colors for the solid cardstocks: Sunny Sky, Pebble. You know what? That's turned the wrong way. Love this. It's nice texture. This is Basil paper. Let me flip this. Okay, here we go. I had it upside down. This one is called the Bakery. Vineyard. That's a pretty green. Brownstone. And this one is, well, I mixed the 2 blues up. The first blue is Fountain, and this one is Sunny Sky. All right. Those are the May and June kits for Pink and Main. Again, you still have an opportunity to subscribe if you'd like to. Just go to the website, pinkandmain.com, and you can get all the information there. Thank you all for stopping by and watching. And I'm excited because Expo is coming up, and I will see Michelle, who is the owner of Pink and Main. I will see her at the Expo. She's always there. Great booth to visit. All right, everyone, thank you so much. And happy crafting.